Okay, first of all, let's see if you can remember your colours. Who can tell me what colour this one is? Let me see now. Amber.
Red.
Red. Good girl. Okay, so this one is red. Red. Okay. And this one?
Green.
Green. Good girl. Green. Can everybody say that? Green. Okay. And this one?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good boy. Yellow. Okay. And this one? Dan? Blue. Can everybody say that?
Blue.
Okay, now we'll say them all together. What is this one?
Pink.
Pink. Okay, and this one?
Purple.
And this one?
Orange.
Very good. Orange. And this one?
Black.
Black. And this
White.
And the last one?
Gray.
Very good. Okay, now listen, we're just going to do them all together just to practice them. Okay, Yessa? Yessa, are you ready? Okay. Red. Miss O'Flynn, listen. Miss O'Flynn will say it first, and then you repeat, okay? So Miss O'Flynn says red, and then you all say red, okay? Red. Okay. Green. Yellow. Blue. Pink. Purple. Orange. White. Brown. Black. And grey. Very good. Okay. Now.